Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another Tinker Tuesday, where we do-it-yourself technology stuff, fixing whatever is broken. And in this episode, we're putting away the NZXT H500 to make way for a surprise. We got the PlayStation 5. A person that I guess I'll call her friend wanted me to upgrade it with a request that I make it all black and make it look like the PlayStation 4, and to verify whether or not it's one of those new consoles that have less parts or that have less thermal components, and also to modify it in the way that I do modifications to make it run better. I do not have much time, and I actually purchased some parts for modification, which is the black matte case and a controller glove, because I didn't want to avoid your warranty. It's quite inexpensive, and I sought a commodity, especially during this chip shortage, and so I kept everything in place. The integrity of the system will remain. You'll keep your warranty, and that the internal components or the software runs better. I hope you didn't get an impression I just cut up cases or whatnot, which I do sometimes. I do that for my NZXT H500 because it needed it. I was in a place that's really warm, and instead of making a mess here, I decided to get these matte cases, which, by the way, is not as easy as it looks to put together. You can see me struggling a little bit, and especially with that thin corner. Luckily, you picked somebody who has the grip strength to do it in a semi-professional way. I happen to do it. I've seen people remove this case and make scuff marks or black markings on the actual stuff because they're yanking it. The way I do things when it happens to requires a bit of grip or brute strength is I do it as slow as possible, but with the greatest torque that my grip can possibly do. So I was able to do that gently. I did not mar any part of the case. Everything is good, and I even wore my gloves so that I did not leave any fingerprints. So everything that came with the case will be boxed up and put back in its place. You get your original face plates in case you want those. You could probably sell those, and they'll be good. And don't worry about covering the cost. I know you only spent the money to send it to me, and of course purchasing the console. But I wanted to do this as part of maybe like I try to do like celebratory things for milestones for this community or channel, and I wanted this to consider to be one of those things. So the PlayStation 5, which is not even mine, that we upgrade. It's good content, I guess, right? And the hardest thing of this whole thing was putting these tactical rubber thumb sticks. So I had to remove my gloves so that I could grip the ends. They're ironically called grip pads, but they're the most difficult to put in. I usually flip them, or this material, this kind of rubber is kind of sturdy, which is a good quality, but it's a little bit too sturdy, so I couldn't do my trick of inverting the rubber and flipping it over on the thumbstick. So at least we know the controller works. It was lighting up like a purple when I accidentally pressed the button, and it feels pretty good. PlayStation 5 is nice and sturdy, the controller I mean, and the PlayStation 5 too, I verified with the serial number that it is the older model, which has the thermal parts that you're concerned with, which they removed from the newer model. So that's good to go. And what else did you want me to do? I also added a terabyte of hard drive space, or just to increase your storage, because it's one of the things that it's part of the new firmware update. That, by the way, I never turned on the machine because there is this one-time load up screen that happens for the first time user that you'll never get back, so I wanted you to experience that. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you if you wanted to make a decision whether to subscribe, this is what I usually do. I am a new YouTube partner. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is John Nezodam signing out. Take care, stay safe, and remember, you're essential. Oh, by the way, the PlayStation 5 was already sent back to the person. She did not want to be revealed of who she was, so I left that out. But she said it was okay to post a video. Anyway, take care. I'll see you guys in the next episode.